Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Salem Rain, and today I'm making Greek pasta or pasta salad. A magnificent summertime salad, beautifully fresh, bright vegetables. I've already boiled my pasta. Here I have 5 cups of dry bow tie pasta noodles that I boiled according to the package directions. I cooked it for a minute or two less because I like mine a little al dente. You can boil your noodles however you like, and feel free to use whatever type of pasta that you prefer. I like the bow tie noodles because I think they look kind of classy and fancy. Really dresses up the salad. In my pie dish, I have the vegetables. Everything here is in 1 cup measurements. Shallots, red pepper, black olives, cucumber, and grape tomatoes. You can use grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, any type of little tomato that you can cut into half or 3 parts, whatever works. I use shallots this time instead of red onions like I would usually use because of the Salmonella outbreak in North America. So I'm avoiding red onions, and they're not in the stores anyway, so it made the choice very simple. Use any color of bell pepper that you have, any type of cucumber. I use those little cucumbers, those mini cucumbers, just because I could cut them into little rings or discs. Super easy. Mix it up. As you can see, there's a beautiful proportion of vegetable to pasta. I try not to chop up the veggies too fine, leaving them a little on the larger side, but still very manageable, because you really want the veggies to shine in this salad. Let's make the dressing. This dressing is super easy to make, but so much tastier than anything you'd find at the grocery store. It all starts with 2/3 of a cup of olive oil. I'm going to put this in this pickle jar that I had empty and on hand. Use any sort of container that you can easily seal and shake. 4 garlic cloves that I finely minced. If you like less garlic, use less garlic. 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 1½ tablespoons of honey. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Put a lid on it. Completely optional, but I'm going to add freshly chopped basil and oregano. I don't know how, but I forgot the feta cheese. 1/2 cup, add that. It's very important. Mix it all up. Just like that, it's done. This is one of my favorite summertime sides. So fresh and bright, I could eat this entire bowl right now. The dressing is so flavorful and well balanced. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you again next time.